Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to fix any issues related to screen rotation on Moto G56. Let's begin. First, we want to check if we have screen rotation enabled in the first place. We can easily do that by expanding Control Center, just like that, and once again. As you can see, our auto rotate option is currently off, meaning that no matter what we will do, our phone will stay in portrait mode, unless we open an application that is not supported by portrait mode, or in other words, the app is not supporting portrait mode, then our phone will rotate itself into landscape mode. So we want to simply enable our auto rotate, and in applications that support this feature, so they support both portrait and landscape mode, we will be able to simply switch between those by simply moving our phone and tilting it just like that. Though it is very important to mention that many applications are not supported and they are not supporting both of these modes. The best example, I think, is probably most of the games, the mobile games currently on the industry, and many of them are locked into certain mode. For example, I don't know, like Clash Royale and Subway Surfs will always be locked into your portrait mode, while other games like Clash of Clans, Brawl Stars, Call of Duty, etc. will be locked in landscape mode and you won't be able to play them in other modes. It's pretty self-explanatory really. And lastly, if it's still not working, so if you just make sure that your auto rotate is on or off and it's still not working how you want it to, you will probably want to simply turn off your phone and turn on it again, or simply restart it. I know it sounds kind of silly, but auto rotation options are dependent of gyroscope inside every single phone, and as any other system, the gyroscope can be restarted, so we can simply press the power icon and simply hit restart. So now our phone will restart every single system on our phone, including the system that is responsible for rotating a screen. So from switching from landscape to portrait and from portrait to landscape mode. And yeah, I think that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.